If you learn these three, you will be a formidable force in the world. And I'm not exaggerating. Because people don't learn these things anymore, and these are the most powerful tools that human beings have. Dr. King knew them, and he moved a whole nation. Malcolm X knew them, and he moved large numbers of people. Kennedy knew them, right? Obama's a master of rhetoric, or his speechwriters are, right? This is how the prophet was the most logical, grammatically correct, and rhetorically effective human being that ever lived. And he moved 1/6 of humanity because of that. And so this is why they were so important in our civilization, in Muslim civilization. This is why people like the Freemasons are obsessed with the 7 liberal arts. Why? This is a network of very powerful people, and they know these tools. But some civilizations kept these hidden. These were like secret arts. Because they don't want people, if you have these arts, that's why they're called liberal, because they free you. They free you to think for yourself and not let others think for you. So when somebody like Trump or Clinton, you can see through a lot of the logical fallacies, right?